Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this stylish cellular halftone pattern effect in Photoshop. First, right-click on your main image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Press OK. Now, right-click on the duplicated layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Next, go to Filter Gallery. Under the Sketch section, select Halftone Pattern. For the settings, set the size to 2, the contrast to 3, and make sure the pattern type is set to circles. Now click the new effect layer icon to add another effect. Next, select Torn Edges. Set the image balance to around 47, the smoothness to around 11, and the contrast to around 11. These settings give us a nice textured look. Once you're happy with the result, press OK. Now let's add some color. Go to Adjustment Layer Gradient Map. Open the Gradient Editor and make sure the first color is black. For the second color, you can choose any color you like. I'm going with the green color because it gives the effect a really nice look. And that's it! We've created the cellular halftone effect. To keep everything organized, hold Shift and select all the effect layers, then click the group icon to put them into a single group. Here's the before and here's the after. And that's how you can create this cellular halftone pattern effect in Photoshop with just a few simple steps.